May ilalakas pa ba? Yan. So, alam niyo naman, first ever solo concert ko po ito. Bukod doon, first ever solo album ko din ito. And I want it to be as authentic as possible. Kasi lahat mo... Hey! Yun o, sinabayan. Salamat, marami pong salamat. Pero sabi ko nga, as authentic as possible, lahat po nang nakikita nyo, ito si Josh Cullen. Dito po ako sa kinatatayuan ko. Somewhere in between the lost and found. So, lahat po ng songs na ito ay hango po sa aking sariling storya at gusto ko po ibahagi sa inyong lahat. Kaya sana po lahat kayo mag-enjoy today, tonight. Lahat po ito ginawa kong posible para makapagbalik sa inyo. Finger heart kayo sa akin. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto ko pag sinabi kong baby, you say baby. Pwede ba yun? Okay, alam niyo siguro to. Baby. 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 Yo!
Ay di palalagpasin ang iyong hindi na natisipan natin kakalugin. Pamamagitan ng halina upang iyong gustuhin. Josh Cullen, no cap, let me kill this beat, yo. Sa mga titing natutunaw, ikaw bumubuo ng araw. Oh yeah, baby. When touches and your lips, tell what you should be mine, know how it feels. When you give it to me, baby, just let me know when you're ready. Di na nakahanap ng iba, ikaw lang ang pinakamaganda. Ikaw lang gusto makasama, yeah. You're the only one, baby. 'Cause I see me and you on my bed in my room, holding hands while we move. 'Cause I'm way too insane. 'Cause baby, I don't mind, I can stand the time of this you made. You might make it feel. 'Cause I wish I was sitting all on my sofa with you, rolling up, blowing, don't you miss you? Bottle up, getting close and miss you, baby. Call me up when it's in my life. 4 in the morning, you know what's like. If we move slow, so we go all night, all right. Hey. Woo!
Teka lang. Ang hina ng sigawan. Ano yan? Teka, inom muna akong tubig. Sino nakakalam ng part na to? Sino? Pwede nyo ba itaas ang inyong mga kamay? Hello? Halika, dito ka. Meron pa ba tayong isang mic dyan? Meron pa ba tayong isang mic dyan? May microphone ba tayo? Anong name mo?
Pat.
Pat? So, anong oras ka dumating dito?
Kanina pang 1.
1? Wow. Kamusta naman ang experience so far, Pat?
Masaya.
So, alam mo to, ah. Ikaw na bahala. Okay? Kailangan buhatin mo ako dito, ah. Okay ba yun? Ayan, okay na. Pwede pa natin siyempre i-cheer si Pat. Kailangan na niya ng lakas ng loob, eh. Kailangan niya ng lakas ako. Pwede ba lakas? Pat, ready ka? Bibilang ako, okay? Okay, ready ka na, Pat? And the count of 3. Sasabihin ko 1, 2, 3, go, okay? Okay?
3. Go! So much, yeah, come over here. We can talk about the feeling. Shed a few tears with my baby. 'Cause I see me and you on my bed in my room. Only that's what we do. 'Cause I'm way too easy. 'Cause baby, I don't mind. I can stand the time just to make you mine, make you feel. 'Cause I was turning on my soul for rest. Running out blind when don't you wish. When I'm getting closer with you, baby. Call me up when just in my life. Oh, and I'm wanting you know what's right. We can both start so we go all night, all night, all night. But, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Salamat kasi binuo mo yung kanta.
Siguro kanina,